What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. Yes, I am Irish, I live in Ireland, and there's no supercars where I live. So if you're new to the channel, hope you're doing well. Thanks for clicking on the video, and guys, hopefully you like this kind of stuff. I'm not news, I'm kind of like an Irish version of Life Apollos, but I just give my thoughts and opinions. That is basically it. And we are doing a giveaway when we hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm giving away this Lamborghini LED sign, so to be in a chance to win it, you just gotta hit the subscribe button. That is it. So guys, on today's episode, we're going to be covering basically Sportzntouring, royalty exotics, big news, and a new channel that I'm after finding. I think it's called Pterodactyl Tactics. So they are the people we're going to be covering today, and we were just going to jump straight into it, so no messing around. So straight off the bat, massive news and a congratulations to Sportzntouring, Anthony and his son over there in the UK. I would like to call a friend of mine. He was the first person to do a podcast with me on my channel, who I can never thank enough and will never forget this, that he did do it for me, and I'm over the moon delighted for him that he's after getting his first supercar, basically a Audi R8 GT. It's a Spider as well. It is an unbelievably sweet piece of machinery, carbon fiber dripping off it. He released a video, and when I saw just the reveal, I was like, holy damn, that thing is sweet. And I've always wanted an R8. It's a goal of mine for this channel. All I can say is this will propel, hopefully, Anthony's channel to the next level. I mean, the content he's going to make with this thing is going to be insane. The guy is a great editor. I love the way he does his videos. You guys need to go over to his channel, link in the description below, and check it out and subscribe. He just kills it, and I mean, this video was so emotional. You can understand working so hard towards something like this. So here is a quick clip of Anthony revealing his new Audi R8 GT Spider. Enjoy this, guys, because this thing is absolutely sick.
I have bought an Audi R8 GT Spider, one of only 333 cars in the world, 33 of which are in the UK. This has the 560 horsepower variant of Audi's 5.2 litre V10 engine, also found in the Lamborghini Gallardo, and it delivers 0 to 60 times of around 3.6 seconds, and a top speed of 199 miles an hour.
There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the car. I mean, I just blown away at how nice it is, and he was with JM and Cars as well there to give him support and help him out, obviously with the financing and buying the car and stuff like that. You know, obviously channel goals. Well done, Anthony. All I can say is congratulations, and I hope, you know, it does really well for you. I cannot wait to see the content you make with the car. You know, it's just unbelievable, and I can't wait to see if you tune it or you get more power out of it, if you do any mods to it. Just the content's going to be created with it. Guys, follow him on his channel, check it out. Let me know what you think of an R8 GT Spider. It's the V10 as well. I mean, wow, just all I can say is congratulations, bravo, and the best of luck with it, and hopefully your channel explodes over this. So moving next on our list, guys, is Pterodactyl Tactics. Now, this is a new channel I stumbled across, but the actual Lamborghini Hurricane on this guy's channel I have seen in other videos. I've been trying to find out who owns it for months on end, and I love the kit in this car. I love the stance in it. It's bloody gorgeous. It's such a sick car, and he looks like he's finally started to start regularly posting on his channel to show us what kind of cars he has. He has a wide body NSX. He has an 812 Superfast, and he has this Huracan as well, and he has one or two other cars there as well. I have no idea what this guy does for a living. He obviously has the money to spend, but hopefully he'll keep uploading because it is a very, very sick car. This exhaust system, $15,000 exhaust system for this Huracan, and just check this clip out. This thing is bloody mental. I can't believe how loud this thing is. Check this out. Mother of Jesus, I am just blown away. It's spitting flames. You see the whole back of the exhaust system shaking. Just the sound of it, the turbo spooling. I don't know what brake horsepower that car is pushing, but my God, it was one serious. And the way the colours are done, the exhaust system as well, like 15 grand well spent, I must say. You know, we obviously haven't heard of driving yet. I'm presuming that might be in the next video, but let me know in the comments below, guys. If you haven't checked this guy's channel out, go check it out. Link in the description. And let me know what you think of the exhaust system as well, and the car itself, because I'm in love with it. Thought I'd bring it to you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that piece of orgasmic sound from a Hurricane. Next on the list, guys, is big news coming out of Royalty Exotics. He has announced they've been down in Orange County and they have gone and bought their first dealership building. He's finally going to go start selling cars and renting in the same spot. Delighted he's doing this. The one reason I'm delighted is because I could be traveling to Orange County next year when the borders, whenever this godforsaken borders open back up. I'm supposed to be going over there for a week or two to visit a friend who lives in Orange County. So I never got the chance to rent when I was in Vegas last year, to rent a car off Royalty Exotics. So I'm planning, when they open this one in the next 5 or 6 weeks and I get over next year, which I will vlog, to maybe rent a supercar off them and get talking to Houston, because it would be savage. I'm delighted they're doing this. I'm presuming they'll have some pretty good deals in their in their dealership and the rentals and stuff like that. I think it'll be very successful for them. If you're from the Orange County area, do comment below and let me know, and if you can send me on some vids when it's opened up, it'd be pretty sweet. But yeah, it's big for Royalty. They just keep pushing the boat out with his business. I love Houston and the way he thinks so far ahead and always comes up with business ideas and just puts his money where his mouth is and gets it done. And this, for me, would definitely work out for him very, very well. I just, like, it's more options for people, that don't have much money to get a chance to use a supercar. People like me that would probably never own one, maybe, I don't know, but it'd be great just to spend $400 or $500 and to be able to drive a Lamborghini and say you actually did once in your lifetime, being such a car nut that I am. So yeah, I'm excited to see what way the shop turns out, what cars he puts in there. It's just very interesting, and yeah, it's congratulations to them, and I hope it goes very well for them. So let me know in the comments below what you think of it as well. Next on our list is NovaTech, guys. So again, if you haven't been following NovaTech, you need to go over check out their channel. They've been doing like a supercar series with their NovaTech stuff on it, like wheels and exhaust systems and coilovers or lowering springs, whatever they put on the car. Their most recent one is the McLaren GT. Now, when McLaren GT came out, I liked it. It's not a bad looking car, but when NovaTech got a hold of it and did their own little bits and pieces to it, it looks way better. I just think it looks like a proper supercar. It's supposed to be out there for the rich people, for daily drivers. And NovaTech, for me, have really gone out and made this car look sick. But in my head, I always said if I ever had the money to modify a supercar, it'd be Vorsteiner kit with NovaTech, bits and pieces on it. I'd mishmash two of them. But here is a quick clip of the GT. Just basically when he's doing accelerations, just hear the sound off this, and as he drives it, it's so nice.
Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is good fun.
There you go, guys. Comment below, would you buy a McLaren GT if you had the money, or would you get something else? Would I get one? I don't know, really, to be honest. I probably wouldn't, for what else is out there for that price range. It's cool and everything, but don't think I would buy one if I had the money. But if it was modified out and made look ridiculous and like something crazy, then maybe. But this series by NovaTech, I'm loving it. It's great the way the guy goes on about the car and just his reaction, pure raw reaction when he drives the car as well. It's pretty cool. But yeah, it's fun series. Check it out. Link in the description below. Last but not least on our list, guys, is FI Exhaust. So FI Exhaust has gone away and put on an exhaust system on an Aventador. It's an SVJ. I'm pretty sure it's their exhaust system on the SVJ. It's FI exhaust. DD use them. A lot of other big YouTubers use them, presuming, and it just sounds absolutely mental. If I had an SVJ, they'd be definitely one of my top people to pick for an exhaust system. And here's a quick clip just to show you what it sounds like. Look at this thing coming down the road. Like, if this thing was coming down towards you, you would hear it before you see it, and this looks like a blue bullet. Check this out. And there you have it, guys. FI exhaust, do it again. Eargasmic, what a sound. Love the SVJ. If I was ever going to get an SVJ, it'll probably be in, there's two colours I saw online. The purple with the gold wheels, and there was a grey one with black wheels, or a grey one with gold wheels as well. They would be my two colour choices if I was to get an SVJ. Hopefully DDE buy one. But I love the SVJ, especially, you know, Savage Garage SVJ that was tuned by Gintani, and it sounds like an F1 car. It's bloody mental. So guys, that's everything for today on today's episode. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff. Definitely comment below. I will write back to you guys in the comments, and even better, subscribe. Help the channel grow as we get bigger. You know, I'll be able to do more vlogs and do more stuff as well. So again, guys, thanks very much, and stay safe. Peace out and keep it lit.